Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well. And in this video, I'm gonna break down what's going on market and how we can plan the trades according to this market. So let's get begin. In daily time frame in BTC, we can see literally bullish. It's creating new high. In 4 hour time frame, we can see it's coming like creating new higher. Now we can see BTC is coming this demand zone. This is one of the demand zone where market can come. So now let's go in 30 minutes. We can see these are the demand zone. This is one of the demand zone where market can come. If market come here, come here, do some retracement or higher high, then go for upside and for new highs. It can happen or it can't be happen until unless it's do something like break of structure in downside and do some retracement, lower highs creation, then go downside. This is for BTC, but if you want to go downside, like if you want to trade for downside short, you have to wait until unless confirmation you can't go downside. Okay. So this is for BTC right now. Let's talk about Ethereum. What's going on Ethereum? Ethereum in daily time frame, we can see Ethereum is also creating high. So in 4 hour, we can see it is in the supply level. This is supply levels. In 1 hour time frame, we can see market is rejecting from this supply level, but we can't accept any type of Ethereum move. Like we can't trust because it literally follows the BTC, and whatever BTC moves, it goes like copy them. It's copy them, and if we want to trade, so what's for now? So we can see even it's coming creating lower lows in 30 minutes, or but in 50 minutes we can see not that much clear. But if I talk like if it comes like downside like this or this and this rejection from this, then you can go downside because like this it's gonna be break of structure, and here it's gonna be confirmation after like somehow candle rejections, or you can see the confirmation, then you have to go downside. Until unless I would not recommend for downside because BTC is literally bullish. Until unless BTC, you can't trust in Ethereum, whatever. In gold, we can see gold is literally creating new highs. You can see I would not recommend to trade like this market because literally bullish and not that much. I was talking about this demand zone tomorrow, so it doesn't come here. But let's see what's happened now. In 30 minutes, we can see it's creating near higher high. If we see the demand zones are here, like I already said tomorrow, lots of liquidity is down here, like creating downside. If it sounds if it comes like this, like creating new some hunt liquidity and like demand zone, then you can plan for like this is gonna be the good setup. But if you want to scalp, then you have to be careful, really lots of careful, because market can hunt you. Like this is one of the demand zone, market goes ups, then and you have to take profit very quickly in this market. So चिल में से ये तो कर सकते हो, वरना तो अवॉइड करो. In US all you can say wait a minute. Events all you can see these are the demand zone where I was talking about tomorrow. In 4 hour we can see break of structure. This is demand zone. I was talking about this, but it comes this level, but I don't think this is one of the great like this because this is the zone. You can, if you are in trade then good, but if you are not in trade, I would recommend market comes down like this, literally like this. I already told you, like, I already told about this. mm, this is, like, come this, and this is a gang box where market can comes and touch, then go upside until unless, yeah, this is for US oil. Then let's talk about CBP what's going on. GU, you can see these are the supply levels where market is going down. This is one of the supply levels where market can come down, and we can see the liquidities is down here. So if we see in 4-hour time frame, these are all supply levels. This supply level is mitigated. I am not. I was talking about tomorrow that this is supply level. This is one of the supply level, a recent supply level, where market can come like this. If it comes like this, it already went down, then do some retracement and go for downside because lots of liquidity is down there. Okay, and precursor sort of downside is already happened. So I was talking about this, but now this supply level is somehow in this supply level market is continuously ranging right now. So you have to wait for confirmation. You have to wait for confirmation. And if we say in 4 hour time frame, let me show you. This whole zone is supply level. This whole zone is supply levels, but we can't that much trust because this is already mitigated. So my suggestion is gonna be you have to wait for confirmation like this until unless it's do something like this. You can't go upside. Okay, this is for ZU right now in 1 hour, 4 hour, daily time frame. Yeah, all for now. It's like downside momentum can come here. This is one of a breakup structure. Now let's talk about USA. What's going on USA? In USA we can see this is the daily supply levels. In 4 hour we can see these are all liquidities. I already told you about this tomorrow. This momentum is doesn't happen yet. This is supply levels. Market went down. This the whole gaps is appeable and the whole liquidities is down there. So you have to wait for confirmations. If you want to enter a trade for risky trade, you can enter, but it's gonna be so risky. The confirmation in trade I always love like this. I already told you about this. Let's talk about CSA. What's going on CSA? In weekly time frame, we can see market is going upside and it's went to the, it's trying to go to supply level. In daily time frame, we can see yes. Doesn't this or does? Let me show you. I think it's going upside. Like market is going upside. I would not recommend to trade this type of bullish market, but let me show you how. Demand zone is in here. If it comes like this, do some retracement in short term and then go for hunt the liquidities in upside, or you can target the supply levels. This is until unless it's do something like this. You can't go downside. If it's reject from like this, do some retracement, then go downside and hunt the liquidities. It's done also here, but I don't think so it's gonna happen because market is trying to go upside in the supply level. Let's talk about, I talked about you say where is you say, I talked about this now. Zero, I told you. Investigate, let me show you. Investigate, you can see in daily time frame. This is a demand level where market is trying to go upside. This is the supply levels. Market is actually going trying to go upside, but this is supply levels where market can come, because in daily time frame. So in 4 hour, well, lots of liquidity is creating, not that much clear. I would recommend you to not trade until unless it breaks the liquidity, until unless it's okay. This is for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do thumbs up and subscribe for the more